I'm Jack Daggett, president of Pride Solutions. Pride Solutions is the high-level company. Below that are our 4 different business units, which include May West Manufacturing, which is our ag aftermarket, C&A Pro snowmobile skis, which is our aftermarket snowmobile ski division, Pride Engineered Plastics, which is our contract manufacturing and industrial sales, and then Pride Assembly, where we do light assembly work as well. Our niche is producing high quality products for our different customers. This ranges from retail all the way to OEM. A lot of those products revolve around poly, specifically UHMW. Our ag division, May West Manufacturing, is farmer tested and farmer approved. We work very hard to ensure that the products we are producing will meet the needs of today's farmers. C&A Pro, another one of our divisions, is equally as important when it comes to quality and producing a good part. We produce parts for some of the world's most elite athletes that are pushing these machines to the limits, and they need to have a quality ski on the front there. For our Pride Engineered Plastics and Pride Assembly divisions, we work very closely with the customer to ensure that their needs are being met and coming up with innovative solutions to produce a quality part for them. We have a wide range of capabilities when it comes to manufacturing here at Pride Solutions. These include compression molding, assembly, CNC machining, and a few different aspects of that, vertical and horizontal machining. To support those different divisions, we have a very good team here that does wear a lot of hats and supports it in different ways when it comes to purchasing, engineering, sales, marketing, administrative. We don't have to outsource a lot of things typically, and we are able to be self-contained and take care of these things for the customer. At the end of the day, what's important is our employees. We're blessed with having a lot of employees that have a long tenure here, some of them over 20 years. They bring a lot of expertise and a lot of points of view that are very, very important to us. Many of our employees are involved with volunteering within the community. This includes the fire department, sports, coaching, and the snowmobile club, to name a few. When you're working with Pride Solutions, you're working with people and employees with integrity. We treat each and every customer with respect and put their best interests to the forefront. We have the expertise to get the job done right and the integrity to keep our promises. Whether you have crops to harvest, races to win, or looking for a reliable source of custom plastic parts.